Alright, so she did not have a beauty blender. We got a beauty blender. What else did we get? We got a good lipstick. Look at this lip color, Huda Beauty. And then now we're gonna go, I'm gonna do her makeup and show her how to do that. And yeah, it's gonna be great. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good night, wherever you are in the world. Today I'm joined by my mother. I'm back home for the holidays, and we're gonna show you guys how to do, she likes her makeup fast, and you guys always are wanting to see a quick makeup tutorial, because I know I take like 8 hours to do my makeup. So we're gonna show you guys how to look snatched in 15 minutes, and we're gonna just go. So she's gonna start with her egg stem cell skincare, of course, and she's been loving this. So yeah, well, you should drip it onto your face, yeah. So this is the ampule. It's actually the most potent of the steps. You're out of your ampule.
Almost, yeah.
It's empty. You can tell she uses it because it's empty. It's gone.
No, it's not. There's stuff in there. It just doesn't come out. Here. There you go. Oh my
god, you're gonna pour it all over your face, Mom!
There you go. See? Okay. Feels so good though. I love it.
Okay, you need to, yeah. It's easier when you squirt it onto the face though with a little squirter, but
it's good. I've got a good amount.
She loves it. Alright, and then there's the serum, and then we're gonna get into it. She didn't even have a beauty blender before. She was just literally uses her hands for makeup, which you guys is not good because we have oils and we have things in our hands. So I got her a little beauty blender. Well, I guess you bought it, but I mean, picked it out for you. I like the black ones too because I feel like the pink ones have a lot of like dye or something.
I'm using this now.
Okay, she's using the serum. Using that serum. I'm just gonna get the beauty blender all moist.
Okay.
And do you want me to, I want to like use your makeup because it's what you have, right? Or do you want me to use the Cordetta foundation on you?
No, I want you to use mine.
Yeah.
This is because I'm fast in the morning, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just get it completely soaking wet, and then I take a paper towel and I just squeeze it. And this is what we use as the primer, is our egg stem cells. Which you guys know is always linked in the description box, and you guys can get a discount with my last name.
I'm putting mine.
Also, we wanted to, it's so hard to find a mascara that she likes, so we got the little Kush mascara from Milk to try it, and if she likes it, I'm just gonna send her a full size. But this is a little mini one.
Okay, I'm done. Ready for it.
Alright, so what's your foundation that you use?
Sorry. You blocked my hair. There you go.
Alright, so she uses the Bare Minerals. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Foundation. It's the shade Pecan. So I just put it on the back of my hand. Just squirt it. And then you take the beauty blender. You just beat it in the face.
Beat it up.
Beat it up. So I've never actually used Bare Minerals products before.
Oh, I love that.
But I know that a lot of people love them. The shade is definitely pretty perfect for you.
I know, and it looks dark, but my skin is weird. My skin is so weird and I'm usually more tan, so.
I know, I'm getting all pale.
By the way, I never put it on like this, so this is interesting.
Really?
Yeah, does it just keep it on better this way? I don't understand the pushing part.
Well, yeah, it's pressing it more into your skin.
It just doesn't seem like it would cover all of it when you just go like that.
And then you've been loving the Shape Tape concealer from Tarte, huh?
I do. I actually like that.
So
you know why? Because I need something that actually, is, I don't know, it attaches and it has consistency to it.
And this is in the shade Medium.
Yeah, everything's dark for me.
It's dark. It might seem dark, but like I don't know, even for me too. When I go
lighter, it just
goes
makes
so
me look
white.
like a clown.
I know. I have to use a darker concealer too. If anybody else is like that, let us know, because it is interesting, right? So then you like this, and then you take this end.
Okay.
And this is how I'm gonna really get it in there.
Get my nice dark.
Because otherwise you're just like using your finger, it's just not good. And you're pulling your skin.
Yeah, I am.
And it's not a dragging motion. Do you notice how I'm like
Yeah, you
pressing it in.
You got a good rhythm going there.
Thanks.
I know, really. It feels like you're a machine or something. Sorry. It's like...
No, it's hilarious.
It's like...
Then look down, because then I use it as like an eye primer.
Oh, see? That's my problem.
So this is going to cancel out any discoloration or veininess in the eyelids, which we all have. And then it's going to give something for the eyeshadow to stick onto as well.
This is awesome.
Yay. Look up. And then, oh, we didn't get the powder.
Oh.
But I have it still. So I'm gonna go with the Milk Blur and Set setting powder in the shade medium.
And then I'll just have to buy some.
I need to give you some too. So I like that it's tinted, so it's not like just super white under the eye. Another thing that makes it not white under the eye. So I'm really just taking this and I'm pressing it into where we did the concealer. We'll set the eyelids as well. Then you just have this perfect foundation for your eyeshadow. And I'll kind of press it into these areas. And yeah. Okay, and then what's your bronzer?
Just whatever. Here, let's see. I have this.
So this is, she has a unique bronzer from when I used to sell Unique. Clearly it's been through it. What brush do you use? So we need to get her a new brush. She uses this,
I don't know, some lame brush.
This brush has been through it, but it's okay. We're just gonna go in, we're gonna just dab and then kinda, and I'm gonna just really take it like that, press it. Oh my gosh, this is stark. So I'm just pressing it especially into like the outer parts of the face to give that suntanned look.
I never do it this way, I just go all over my face.
I know, so it really helps to get it into that hairline so that, you know, it's not just like a white hairline and like a tan face. Just helps it look better. I'm kind of taking it as like a contour as well, like taking it right in that cheekbone and then dispersing the product. And don't forget the ears.
Really?
Yeah, because you don't want just like white ears. Really?
No, I never do my ears.
So funny. And then I'm kind of just like taking it all over. And the nose.
You're like a human machine or something. It's like,
That's so funny.
It is. Like, I feel like it's a machine.
That's hilarious. No one's ever said that before.
Well, it's like so, you're so consistent about that. Like, you've just got this rhythm. Like,
yeah.
It's kind of cool. Make the Nick machine.
The Nick machine. I love that. Look how tan you look.
Oh, good, and I don't have to go outside in the cold then.
Yeah. Jeez, yeah, I actually really like this bronzer. I'm kind of even taking it there so that it can kind of tan up the center of the face. Yeah, okay, cool. And then, yeah, what?
Eyeliner? I know what's next.
Yeah, what do you usually do for eyeliner?
Stila. I love Stila.
Stila?
Yeah, it's the only one that works on.
Okay, so I'm just letting her do her own liner because she just has a method to her madness, and might as well just. A lot of times I like to have like my clients like do their own, you know, eyeliner or mascara, just because like, you know, it's easier with your own eye, and like when they know how to do it, it's like might as well. Alright, you guys, so she has two brushes. This one she uses for the light shadows and this one for the dark one. But isn't it always different colors?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna work with what we got, but I'm gonna give her more brushes ASAP.
I love, is this Morphe?
Yeah, those pressed shadows, they're pretty, right?
Yeah, I like this color because it's...
That way, the purple one?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
And
yeah,
then
this
I
one from
like-
Morphe is really pretty.
And then I like...
Designer everything.
And then I like this is like a...
Urban Decay!
Yeah.
Oh my god, you guys, you said, you know, I just got a bunch of these. I'm really excited to try them.
So, do you want to just do that then?
It's really pretty. This one is Fireball.
It's my favorite.
Your favorite? Okay. Well, why don't we just, we can just take that. So this is the Fireball pressed shadow for Urban Decay.
This is what I'm really bad at too, is eyeshadow, so show me how to do it.
Eyeshadow. Well, I mean, we can just literally, so I'm gonna take my finger.
I can't believe that. Okay. I was trying to figure out how to get it to stick. Okay.
And then, but also the fact that I did the, you know, I did the primed your eye with the concealer and the powder.
It's relaxing in the sun.
Then I'm gonna go in with this Lorac palette that has been through it. So I'm seeing mom going like this, I'm tapping it off, and then I'm keeping it really light. Move my hand. I'm just putting the product right in that corner, and then dragging it through the crease. I'm just putting it there, and then just so they can blend it out. It's just more blended now.
Well, like you actually put, oh my gosh, you went all the way over?
I'm even like taking it all, but I'm keeping really,
Really?
light, rounded motions.
You went all the way over there.
Yeah.
Wow.
So now we're just gonna go in with the Milk, the Kush mascara. And yeah, look up. So I have to do the bottom first. I think you're gonna like this.
I hope so. Mascara's a tough one.
So yeah, and like I
And
don't
I will
explain
let
it to
you
you, but
know.
it is infused with CBD, which is used as the nourishing and hydrating and bonding agent that they usually use beeswax with in mascaras.
Well, maybe
So
that's what I needed all those years.
So the difference is that it's able to be vegan because it's not beeswax, it's CBD.
Maybe my eyelashes are allergic to beeswax or something.
Maybe.
Because everyone's like, oh, try this, and nothing ever works for me.
Yeah. Look at these lashes, you guys. Yeah, so we just got this lippy from Sephora. It's from Huda Beauty. It's called Game Changer. And this is the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. So it's not completely drying down, but it really didn't transfer at all when we used it yesterday. And it really stayed on really well, right?
Yeah, it didn't get, you know, when I put those on the long lasting, they usually are dry.
Yeah,
So-
exactly.
So just put it on, right? I don't have to worry about liner or anything, because I'm always in a hurry. So
Yeah.
so if we can just do the lip really fast.
Yeah, we're just gonna do it real fast. Alright guys, well we did it. That is how to look snatched in 15 minutes, and then she just lets her hair down, and look at this beautiful goddess. I'm gonna put my mama's Instagram down below. Make sure you guys follow her. She's getting better at posting.
No, I don't.
She's getting better at it, so follow her. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I know a lot of you have been asking for a video like this for a while, so hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully everybody's having a wonderful holiday and staying safe out there in this world, and I hope you guys have a great day or night. And yeah, make sure to follow me on all my social media as well. I'll have everything down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and turn on that notification bell. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.
We did it!